Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Resisting Arrest Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with resisting arrest in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your resisting arrest charge. Contact one of our Missouri resisting arrest defense lawyers today at 314-900, help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all resisting arrest defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our resisting arrest defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Resisting arrest defense lawyers in Missouri. Resisting arrest is a serious offense in Missouri that could result in significant fines and even jail time. If you're facing charges of resisting arrest, the skilled St. Louis criminal defense lawyers at Combs Waterkotte can help protect your rights and your freedom. Our team has over 50 years of experience defending clients against resisting arrest charges. And we can help you, too. Resisting arrest laws in Missouri. Missouri citizens can be charged with resisting arrest or interfering with an arrest if they know, or should reasonably know, an officer is attempting to make an arrest or detain a vehicle and act purposefully to prevent that from occurring. Someone who resists an arrest must have fled, or used or threatened to use physical force or violence. Your future is on the line. Call Combs Waterkotte's Street Louis resisting arrest lawyers at 314-900, help for an immediate consultation. An officer will assume that you're fleeing a vehicle stop if you don't halt the car when requested to do so via police lights or sirens. But what exactly does physical force mean? The relevant statute defines physical force as using your body in any way to prevent an arrest from taking place, whether yours or someone else's. Even if you only stand in a doorway to keep officers from entering, you can be charged with resisting arrest. Resisting arrest can happen during traffic stops, detainments, or arrests, regardless of whether there's a warrant. They can occur for any type of infraction. In Missouri, resisting arrest, or interfering with an arrest, is a Class A misdemeanor, just like hindering a prosecution. However, it can escalate to a Class E felony under some circumstances, including the following. The arrest is for a felony offense. The person fleeing causes significant risk to others. The arrest is based on a warrant for probation violation or failure to appear on a felony case. Convictions for a Class A misdemeanor can result in a maximum of 1 year in jail and up to $2,000 in fines. Class E felonies, meanwhile, can carry a maximum jail sentence of 4 years and up to $10,000 in fines. Steps to take after resisting arrest charges in Missouri. If you've been charged with resisting arrest, it's important to remain calm and compliant. Avoid putting up any further resistance to ensure that the charges don't escalate. It's also vital to prevent verbal or physical confrontations of any kind. While the arrest is taking place, make a note of the officer's behavior and whether there are any witnesses present. As soon as possible, ask to speak with a St. Louis resisting arrest attorney to get the guidance you need before the situation progresses. As you go through the legal process, keep your rights in the forefront of your mind. You have a right to be informed of your charges, and you must be given a Miranda warning. You're also entitled to due process, including a timely arraignment. Under Missouri law, you can make 2 phone calls after an arrest. Use one to contact Combs Waterkotte. Do not speak with law enforcement before consulting a qualified lawyer. Once you have legal representation, allow your attorney to communicate on your behalf. After consulting a qualified lawyer, don't speak with law enforcement. Instead, let your representative do the talking. Our team can guide you through the rest of the process. Defenses for resisting arrest charges in Missouri. When you hire an attorney, they'll investigate the circumstances leading to the arrest to understand what the most appropriate criminal defense strategies might be. The following are some of the tactics your lawyer might employ. Self-defense. It may be possible to claim that the arresting officer acted with excessive force, prompting you to defend yourself. This option requires demonstrating that the force the officer used was more than necessary, and that your response was proportionate. Failure to identify as law enforcement. If it wasn't clear that the person making the traffic stop or arrest was a law enforcement officer, you can use that fact in your defense. All police officers must identify themselves as such when making an arrest. If they don't, suspects can't reasonably know that they're resisting arrest. Actions outside scope of authority. An officer acting outside of their authority can also be a valid defense for resisting arrest. If the arrest was unlawful or the officer had no right to engage in the behavior you're accused of resisting, it can weaken the prosecution's case against you. Benefits of working with Combs Waterkotte's resisting arrest attorneys. If you've been charged with resisting arrest, the capable team of criminal defense lawyers at Combs Waterkotte can offer the guidance you need to navigate the legal system. We're committed to handling all cases with the precision and attention to detail they deserve. We offer our clients a number of key benefits, including why clients trust us. Over 50 years of experience helping clients who have been charged with resisting arrest in Missouri. Compassionate and dependable legal professionals who can provide assistance throughout legal proceedings. Individualized attention and in-depth investigations to offer targeted defenses that address the client's exact circumstances. The ability and readiness to challenge every aspect of the arrest. What we provide. Assistance at all hours of the day or night. Free consultations to assess your case. Experience from over 10,000 cases where clients have had their charges reduced or dismissed or received not guilty verdicts. A commitment to handling each case with the care and dedication it deserves. Hiring proven street, Lewis criminal defense attorneys for resisting arrest charges. Facing criminal charges can be intimidating. At Combs Waterkotte, we bring over 40 years of experience to guide you through the legal process and fight for your rights. We've handled thousands of cases, including resisting arrest, and understand how prosecutors think. This allows us to develop tailored strategies for each client. From minor offenses to serious felonies, we approach every case with care and determination. When you work with us, you get strong, effective legal representation. Contact Combs Waterkotte for help fighting your resisting arrest charges in Missouri. Charged with resisting arrest? Hire an experienced Missouri defense lawyer to protect your rights. We provide trusted, aggressive defense for clients across the state. With 40-plus years of experience, we've handled even the most serious cases and never shy away from a fight. Your case is in good hands with us. We handle everything from investigation to courtroom defense. Contact us online or call 314-900-HELP for a free consultation today.